What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we are in a Wow, I was talking like a robot for a second, but we are in a Minecraft map. And I just want to say that that one map that said this isn't a parkour map, that map it just couldn't work, and it was just really laggy. I couldn't get back on. It was just really laggy. So, and I haven't been making videos, and I couldn't tell you guys. I mean, I didn't tell you guys, and that was my bad. And yeah, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, we're playing on this map. It's called Here, look, I'll just show you guys. Watch. Cheat as you can too. I haven't played the first one, but it's made by Super Mar Girl. Yeah, whatever. This is the whole map. You guys can go download it. Just cheat as you can too, and I will probably leave the link in the description. So look, even you see on camera. Control C. Now let's save. Now let's get back into the video. So now you guys will know it's in the description. You should go check it out. It's in the description. Made by the girl. Hello. Bit.com. Okay, whatever. Twitter. Okay, info. Start. Nice. Okay. We don't need it. Okay. Info. Don't need the info. Did it just like open up something? Or did it? Okay, so it looks like I have these ones locked, obviously. So let's just jump into this one. Level 1. From A to B. What does that mean? Oh, do I need to get jump boost / effect? Kids Gaming, Minecraft. We'll go to whoa. Jump boost 5 for 10 seconds. Come on, get it. Okay, I made it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. First one / use TP. What? I'm not good at the TPs though. / TP Cadence Gaming. I can't do that, guys. I can't do it. That's my bad. I can't. I'm not really good with use / give / wait, no, give Cadence Gaming grass. Oh, that's Grace. Grass 64. Haha. What? 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 Game mode S. There we go. I don't know. Alright, there. Guys, don't tell people that I'm hacking. I should use set block. Okay. Oh, I think I was supposed to give me jump boost. Whatever. That worked. Still worked. Level 2. Would you like some lava? / effect. / effect. Cadence Gaming. Minecraft. Absorption, blindness, fire resistance. Fire resistance. Obviously 1, and then for 10 seconds. Oh no, it's gonna have to like 100 seconds. I'll do 100 seconds, and then jump boost. What? What? No! What? No! What happened? Oh, I did it wrong. All right, go. All right, there. I think it worked, guys. I think it's working. Yeah! Whoa. Oh, thanks. Whew. Okay. / TP. I'll try it, guys. I'll try it for the. So I am 2, 8, So it's probably... Nah, I'm not gonna do this. I can't. I'm not good at doing this. The TP and the set block, that's it. Okay, is this /give? /give King Gaming Shh, guys. What? Am I supposed to just... Dang it. I think I did it wrong. Wait. /give Cadence Gaming fire. Wait, where's fire? I think it's underscore Minecraft. It's Feather Fence. Oh no, fireworks, fish, flower pot, furnace, my god. Farmland, feather, no! Fire. Charge? No! I can't do these. Shh. This is just gonna... Whoa. I hit my head on something. Gotta do this. No! None of these I'm good at. Okay. / I'm gonna pause till I get the right okay. Oh yes, perfect. Oh no, and then I had the perfect set and then I died. Alright. Oh no, /e. Boom! I'm gonna do it. I did it. I did it. Oops, it looks like machine is broken. The map made mistake. Can you correct it? What was the mistake? So I'm supposed to go to the wall. Ooh! Wait. This is not it. I'll tell you guys when I figured it. It was pretty hard. I actually had to try finding the right press break / give King Gaming water. There. Alright. I'm gonna MLG 1, 2, 3 this jump. Ready? No! Come on! I did it right, and then it still doesn't work. Whatever. There we go. Works like a charm. What? Game mode. S. Pick it up. Yes. Okay, there. I did it. Okay. I'm not good with the set blocks. I'm gonna have to do this, guys. Alright. I have to do every single water bucket once. Nope. Okay. Okay. I have to do this. Like, I have to land it once. I can't. Nope. Okay, so I failed. So that means I have to redo. Mode S. I think because I can't. No. No. Okay, so this one doesn't count though. Hash kill. Gaming. I gotta get back up there. Alright, I gotta do this, guys. Oh, yes, okay, now I did it. Alright, that means I can move on. To the left. This is bushily annoying. What? Fudge out of here. Boom. Oops. Game mode. Alright, now this time I know which one. It's the far one. Wait, oh, I completed it. I'm stupid. Okay. Last one. Slash game mode S. Just survive. Slash effect. Slash effect. Gains gaming. Minecraft absorption. Blindness, fire resistance, glowing, haste, health boost. 100. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Jeez, guys, look at my health. It is gaining. Jeez. Uh-oh. Do I have to jump down? Where do I slash give Cadence Gaming Minecraft Diamond? No. Diamond block boot chestplate helmet or pickaxe shovel sword. Ooh, let's go. Alright, ready? Hold on, I gotta wait. I'll pause it until my hearts are all the way up, and then I'll push play. Okay, so it's been taking forever. So whatever, let's just go. I think I'm supposed to go through that way or that way. I think I just dropped. Uh-oh. Ah! Why do I have slowness? Oh my gosh. Am I supposed to just die? No! I shall live forever and ever. Yes! What? Why slowness? Slash TP give slash effect Cadence Gaming Minecraft absorption, blindness, fire resistance, glowing, haste. I gotta find something that's good. Hunger, instant damage, instant health, invisibility. Ooh! Invisibility 100. Ha! Now they don't see me. What? How'd they see me? I'm an invis. How in the world can they see me? Uh-oh. Ankles. Ah, no, I'm screwed. Mode 1. I'm sorry, guys, but the video's about to end, and I really want to, I don't know, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys want me to do more cheat videos like this, hack videos, leave down in the comment section. Go check out the map, link in the description, and go tell her to make another one. See you guys next time.